unboxing time. It's a pretty nice box. Very sleek, clean. How very Apple of them. Very good. I like it. Pretty simple. Has a nice little lip here. I have no idea what these rubber things are. Guess I'll find out. Oh, there we go. Spacers are made for holding smaller phones in place. I guess if I read the instructions, I would know. So I won't need those because I've got the iPhone XS Max, so I definitely do not need a spacer for a smaller phone. So let's open this up. We'll take our old plugs out. Take the old mat out. Now, if you didn't know already, I've got a USB hub installed underneath here. You can watch that video on what I did there. But we'll take this, run both of these through here. Plug those into the USB hub. Put this back on. Wow, very nice. Fits right in there. There we go. Looks very nice. I think I'm gonna have to do something about my wire over on the side because it's causing the this to not sit quite all the way in. But it looks pretty good. So now that we've got that in there, all we need to do is pop it open and set our phone down. And it's charging. It's a lot easier than having to push it onto the connector, especially if you have a little bit of a case. And then, you know, if you have anything thicker than what I've got, which is pretty minimal, then you have to have a little adapter or it won't even work. So one thing I like about the Nomad is you've got a little lip at the bottom for your phone to sit on. You've got a divider, and then you've got these little LED lights down here to indicate that it's charging. And it doesn't have to be, you know, sitting perfectly in there. It can kind of move around a little bit and it's still charging. That's nice.